Yeah,
dig into it.
Here, he'll do it. He'll do it. Yay!
He's like devouring it.
That is so awesome. Oh, there goes the other hand. Yay!
That is so cute. Look at him, he's so sweet looking. Gosh, that's so good. Whose cake? Who's got to go with his cake? I like that.
Yay!
Yummy, Prez.
Get it, buddy. He'll get it, Mama.
Because I know that's kind of dry.
Yeah.
Because
I like the
red
icing.
stuff.
Yeah.
Here.
Are you in heaven?